Okay, so we're here with David Mount with Ulvac Technologies. Would you like to maybe give us a brief idea of what is your involvement in the emerging technologies that are being covered at the show?
Yes, I would like to do that. Ulvac is a large corporation. We're about $1.9 billion in sales. It's based in Japan, near Tokyo, but we're the North American operation. In the North American operation, we serve as the antenna for a lot of the emerging technologies that are going to be later on manufactured in volume in Asia. For example, thin film battery. We have a solution for both R&D equipment and manufacturing equipment. We can scale. When people get involved with us in the R&D level for new products and emerging technology products, they'll be able to scale their manufacturing as they go forward with the size of their growth and their corporation.
So thin film batteries, for example, let's stay on that because it's the kind of topic that a lot of people are interested in. Yeah. It's about energy. How do you bring energy to these new emerging devices, flexible form factors, and in general, so like a new generation of electronics with different functionalities. What is the innovation here? Are we talking very thin? Are we talking primary, secondary, rechargeable batteries?
We're talking rechargeable secondary and some primary batteries. But what we can do is we can do the whole manufacturing sequence. There's a number of steps to fabricate a thin film battery, and we can do essentially all of them. We can go from the cathode to the electrodes, to the anodes, and to the electrolyte, and then we can package and encapsulate the battery.
Is this an inline process, all in one?
No, it's discrete. It's separate steps, but
you can provide equipment for all the steps.
Correct. That's absolutely correct. Our other interest is in MEMS for the Internet of Things. We manufacture a range of products for making MEMS devices, and these around the outer perimeter are the applications. In the United States, we make all these products. We make these in the Boston area.
Okay.
We also have a foundry. We have an etch foundry services for people that want to do short production runs of a certain device. So again, we can scale from R&D, pilot line, to mass production. This equipment will grow. This showing as R&D or pilot line stuff right here.
Great. I know it's only the start of the show. How are you finding it so far? It's busy?
Yeah, it's been very busy. Yeah, it's a very nice show. I think you guys do a nice job.
That's great. That's good to hear. I hope you find it very useful until the end.